I got an idea. Let's draw Lisa. So she is my female crush and I really want to do something different this time, okay? And I have an idea, I have a great idea. So let's get started, and it's gonna take me some while to draw that. But hope for the best and let's get started. So let's start with my A3 size Risto drawing sheet. And I already made an edited reference for Lisa, so I'm going to draw it on the paper, and the outlines are done. Now let's start working, but before this, let's have a cup of tea. Okay, it's refreshing. Anyways.
And so the question that you chose to ask, will it be better where we're going?
It's 12 p.m. right now, and I'm starting with the hair of Lisa, and it is gonna be a fun.
Heart is saying, oh yeah.
Still just taking it one day at a time. Still don't know what I'm trying.
Oh my god, this blending thing is so satisfying. I don't wanna stop, but anyways, let's draw the hair stems with Tombow on the erasers.
Whatever they want. What's left to say? What's left to say? Cause I'm leaving all the pain today, meaning what I'm trying to say, believing I can find a way, hey, and I'm dreaming, no need to show me how the reason, you can't slow me down, season the moment only now, yeah.
This beautiful face of Lisa is taking more time than expected because I'm already tired. And wow, I somehow managed to complete it. Now let's move to the smaller one.
Not sure about what I'll be. Still can't believe everything I see. If I'm gonna stay down, well, it's up to me.
It's 4 p.m. in the evening and I took a break in between. Now let's try to finish this one.
I need, and I'm working hard till the day I succeed. The day I succeed. Cause I'm leaving all the pain today, meaning what I'm trying to say, believing I can find a way, hey. And I'm dreaming, no need to show me how the reason, you can't slow me down, season the moment only now, yeah, so we gon' be.
It's 5 p.m. in the evening and I don't have a proper lighting setup. That's why I can't record it now. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Good morning everyone, let's get back to the work. But before this, I want to have my breakfast. And here it is. Okay, now I'm done and let's start working.
Yeah, the junior always wanna be the senior. I swear that the grass.
Oh my god, there's still a lot left to work on. But anyways, let's continue.
Exactly what you need to do, but you can't have your cake and eat it too. And I swear that every second we complain is when the thing we work for is the thing that we obtain, yeah. And I don't understand why you always wanna change the path. It's not having what you want, it's wanting what you have. I might not pop bottles in a nightclub or blow up the same way as Mike Stud. When life hits me in the face like a right snub, if you relate, it's alright, cuz
Okay, the main portion is done. Now it's time for the background.
We'll be okay.
We'll be better off.
Yeah.
So here are the final results and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
October sky.